Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello students. So last class what I have taught you about different kinds of nouns. Now I am going to teach you the nouns in gender, means how many genders are there. I am going to teach you now. Okay, how many genders are there in nouns? So now we will take in nouns. In nouns there are two types of genders. Which are those? See here, there are two types of genders. In nouns we will form the two types of genders. Which are those? Genders. Which are those? Those are masculine gender, and feminine gender. So which are those? Masculine gender and feminine gender. There are two types of genders. Which are those? Those are masculine gender and feminine gender. Now I am going to teach you what is this mean by masculine gender. So now we will start with the masculine gender. First one, we will take what is mean by masculine gender. Okay, what is this mean by masculine gender? That noun that stands for any male person or any male animal is called what? It is called what? Masculine gender. Masculine gender. Okay, nouns that stands for any male person or male animal, it is said to be what? It is a masculine gender. What it is? Masculine gender means nouns that stands for any male person or male animal is called what? It is a masculine gender. We will take some example here. Okay, which one will be the example? We will take boy. Okay, boy is what? He is a masculine, means he is a male person, so it is considered that masculine gender, it is a male person, so it is considered what? It is a masculine gender. Okay, now we will take it as another one example. Man also, it is a what? It is a masculine gender because it is a male person, so it is what called? It is masculine gender. And we will take another one. It is a peacock. Peacock is a what? It is a male animal. It is what? It is male animal. Okay, so it is what? Masculine gender. What it is? A masculine gender. So here, which are those? See, boy is a masculine gender. Man is also a masculine gender because it is a male person. And peacock is a male, what? It is an animal, so it is what? Masculine gender. These are what? Some examples of masculine gender. Now I will go through a feminine gender, means what is mean by this feminine gender. Next one is which one? That is feminine gender. So what is mean by this feminine gender? What does this mean by nouns that stands for any, this is female person female person or female, it is female animal is called what? Is called what? Feminine gender. It is a feminine gender. What is a feminine gender? Feminine gender means nouns that stands for any female person or female animal is called what? It is a feminine gender. In feminine gender, there will be some examples. Which are those examples? We will take some examples. Here boy, I have took. Now I will take here as a girl because it is a female person and girl comes under feminine gender. Understood? Now I am going to take one more example. Here I took here as a man. Here we will take as a woman. Now third which one is? I have took here peacock. Now I am going to take in feminine gender, it will be a peahen. Okay, which one will be the examples for feminine gender? Girl, woman and peahen. These are what? Examples of what? Feminine gender. Feminine gender means nouns that stands for any female person or female animal is called what? It's a feminine gender. These are some examples of feminine gender. Now I am going to give some more examples for masculine gender and feminine gender. Now I am going to take here some examples for masculine gender. And here feminine gender. Okay, so first one we will take in masculine gender. See, we will take any male person. Okay, it may be any male person. We will take here actor. Who does acting is an actor. Okay, now we will take in female person, it would be actress. Okay, now here actor is a masculine gender and actress is a what? Feminine gender. Now next one we will take prince. Prince is what? Prince is a masculine gender and here princess. Princess is what? It's a feminine gender. Now third one, what we can take? We can take nephew. Nephew comes under masculine gender and niece comes under what? In feminine gender. Now next one, which one we will take? We will take as a husband. Husband is what? He is a masculine gender and wife is what? It is a feminine gender. Now another one example we will give. Which one it would be? We will take bull. It is a name of what? It is a masculine gender. It's a what? Male person. It's an animal. Okay, it comes under the animal and here bull, here cow is a what? Feminine gender. Next we will take some more examples. Another one example would be, what we will take next one? Which one we can give? Another one example. So father comes under what? Masculine gender. Mother comes under what? Here feminine gender. And seventh one, we will take maternal father. Maternal father comes under what? Masculine gender. Maternal. Mother comes under what? Feminine gender. Eighth one we will take another one example. Which one it would be? we will take poet, and here poets, and ninth one we will take in masculine gender son, here daughter, daughter. 10th one, what we can say, we can take another one, husband, wife we have taken. Now nephew and niece also we have written, prince, princess also we have taken. Now grandfather, and grandmother, or we can take auntie or uncle or aunt, uncle or aunt. So these are some examples of what? These are masculine gender and feminine gender. So actor is what? Masculine gender. Actress is a feminine gender. Prince is what? Masculine gender. Princess comes under feminine gender. Nephew comes under masculine gender. Niece comes under feminine gender. Husband is what? Masculine gender. Wife is what? Feminine gender. Bull comes under masculine gender. Cow comes under feminine gender. Father comes under what? Masculine gender. Mother comes under feminine gender. Here maternal father, poet, son, uncle, these all comes under masculine gender. And mother, maternal mother, poetess, daughter, and aunt comes under what? Feminine gender. So these are all what? Examples of what? Masculine gender and feminine gender. So thank you students. Next I am going to take another class for adjectives.